This problem reads, the following are the duration, times, and minutes of all missions flown by a space shuttle. Use the given data to construct a box plot. Identify the 5-number summary. Okay. Open StatCrunch. There's our data. Now, normally, you have more data than this. I mean, with 10 numbers, I'm not really sure why you need a 5-number summary. Usually, you'll have more than 30 anyway. But nonetheless, we'll go ahead and do this one. So we can do summary stats. Bar 1. If I select the defaults, which means these have already been selected, some of those are the 5-number summary. Press compute. And here we go. So again, remember the 5-number summary starts with the minimum. So the minimum is 8. And then Q1. So Q1 is 8,600. And then the median, which is 10,023. Now Q3, 11,447. And then finally the maximum, which is 11,892. Now the box plot. So I'm going to have StatCrunch generate this. So let's go back to our data. I'm going to go to graphs and box plot. Select the variable. I like mine horizontally, so do horizontally. And I like to have the fences to identify outliers. And that's all I do. And compute. Okay, none of theirs, they did not do the outlier. So I'm going to remove that. Not sure why they didn't, but they didn't. So anyway, just to make it look more like theirs, there we go. I'll be honest, in practice, it's easier to draw these things than it is to draw it and then try to match it up with the ones they've done. But that's what we got to work with. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so A is a contender, right? And I can use these little magnifiers to blow this up a little bit. C is definitely not, right? Because here it has the minimum around 5,000, so we know it can't be C. Now I'll come over here and look at D. And first, let's look at B. So B does not fit the bill, right? Because look at the median here. Splits the box almost directly in half in this case, which does not fit B. And in fact, A is also off as well. All right, now if I blow these up a little bit, I can see a little more clearly. Notice I've got 6,000, 7, 8, 9. So there's 10,000, which is to the right of the median. And here my median's a little bit more than 10,000. So I know it can't be A or B. So it has to be D. And I can magnify that just to make sure it looks like it fits right on. There's 10,000 and it looks like it hits right on. So I hope that helps.